Okay.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Okay, guys. Right, let's go. So this is where we are going today. You guys see? Let's go. See you soon. Okay. Guys, check it out. Welcome to Sam's Club. Let's see. How much is this? Yeah. Okay. Guys can see the price of that TV. Okay, that TV is LG. Yeah, LG. See clearance. They have clearance sales, which is $719. They have a beautiful price. What do you guys think about this? So they have sales. So and this $799. Wow. So this one is $1,999 and it's beautiful, guys. So let's check their clothes out. I want to check the clothes out. So it's summertime and I need some shirt for my boy. So this is shirt. It's $14.99. $10.99. So, guys, I want to check the clothes out. You can see the price of their clothes. It's not that bad. Summertime, summer wear, bob shorts. So for swimming, yeah, sandal house, guys. So this one, try $12.90. 20. My daughter have this for 19. Sorry, ma'am. Oh, sorry.
Sorry about that.
I thought that was fine. Okay. Yeah, I think this is for boys, right? No, this is for girls. Yeah, I need something like this for Teju. Yeah, and you guys can see. Yeah, I think this is a little bit long, but I'm going to get it like that. Yeah. So and this is the price, $9.97 for kids. You see, for kids 14. To get some shorts. Yeah, I need to get some shorts. So the shirt is $7.94. So what they're supposed to size them. Because all these hybrid shirts is $12.98. I think I need to get for 2v2. Yeah. little B is going to wear 14 to 16. And I need to look for a black one to get for him as well. Hopefully to size them. So these are their shirts, men's shirts. I don't know. XL. Guys, see. So these are the men clothes. I don't know if I said I should get this for my husband. This one is $17. What size is this? It's XL. I think you will need extra large. Yeah. I should get some clothes, but this one small. I need large. Okay, this is large. So this one is large. No, this one is large. Hopefully it will size him. So guys, let's go. Okay, so what do we have to get next? I think I'm supposed to get some tops for them. I don't even know. This one is for girls, right? So here are their clothes section at Sam's Club, and let's go grab what we want to grab, guys. Let's go grab what we want to grab. So come along with me. I hope you guys are enjoying your view. So I need to get tissue, bathroom tissue. Yeah, guys. So for this one, this is the price. So it's $22.99. So let's go. It's 9. So let's grab some water. Let me grab one water. So my daughter said she have a party in school. She asked me to buy cupcake, and I don't know which cupcake to buy. But this one is too big. They are too big. Oh, I wish they had such one. So this one is still low. Yeah. do I need again? I don't even know what I need again, but let's go. Yeah, I need to get them to get milk as well. So guys, check it out. Yep. So thank you guys. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and turn your notification bell on.